Many drivers spend extra on big-name tires that barely reach 40,000 miles. Meanwhile, some underrated brands quietly last over 70,000 miles with fewer issues. Today, we're revealing 13 underrated tires that outperform expensive ones, backed by real tests and data. Stay tuned. Our top pick even shocks veteran mechanics. Number 13. Cujo. Starting as a tiny South Korean tire maker in 1960, Cujo has grown into a global brand with R&D centers on 3 continents. Their tires strike a solid balance of performance, longevity, and price. Some all-season models even exceed 70,000 miles at a fraction of premium costs. Cujo's motorsports experience, from Formula 3 to the TCR World Tour, improves grip, handling, and tread life for everyday drivers. While a few older models had minor issues, overall warranty claims are under 0.2%, and major automakers like BMW, Mercedes, and VW trust Cujo as original equipment. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the next brand, taking affordability and durability even further. Number 12. Falcon. Falcon, a Japanese brand since 1983, combines durability, performance, and value. Modern Falcon tires outlast many premium brands, thanks to motorsports experience in Formula Drift and off-road events like King of the Hammers. Their Wild Peak line handles off-road, mud, snow, and highway driving, while the Azena and CX series offer steady wear, great handling, and quiet, safe commuting. Many models now come with tread life warranties up to 80,000 miles, making Falcon a top choice for reliability and performance. And if you think that's impressive, the next brand on our list takes longevity and durability to a whole new level. Even Falcon can't quite match it. Number 11. General Tire. Next is General Tire, an American brand founded in 1915 in Akron, Ohio. While most tire makers from that era disappeared, General has endured for over a century, showing its durability, innovation, and reliability. Today, as part of Continental, their quality has reached new heights. Historically, they introduced the low-pressure balloon jumbo tire and developed the drum method for truck tires, innovations that improved comfort, strength, and performance. Modern favorites include the Grabber line for trucks and SUVs, featuring D-Gen technology to resist cuts and chips, and traction notch edges for excellent grip on mud, gravel, and loose dirt. Owners report strong performance under towing, off-road, and long highway drives. The touring line, like the Alta Max RT43, offers quiet, even wear, and reliable grip, often rivaling premium brands. With its combination of performance, longevity, and value, General Tire proves a mid-range brand can outperform expectations, making it a top choice for everyday drivers. Number 10. Toyo. Toyo, founded in 1945, has grown into a major global tire maker, selling in over 100 countries with manufacturing in Japan, the US, China, and Malaysia. Despite a 2013 federal fine for a price-fixing issue unrelated to tires, Toyo has earned a reputation for durable, long-lasting tires that often outlast pricier competitors. Their open country line is a standout for trucks and SUVs, handling gravel, dirt, towing, and daily driving with minimal tread wear. Many off-road owners report thousands of miles of tough use with little degradation. Toyo's motorsports involvement, from Baja 1000 to Formula Drift, helps develop compounds and tread designs that maintain grip even under extreme conditions. Toyo also invests in sustainability, pushing for tires made from renewable materials and low rolling resistance designs, like their Nano Energy line, which boosts efficiency while extending tire life. If you think that's impressive, the next brand on our list stretches longevity even further. Number 9. Cooper. Founded in 1914, Cooper has stayed independent for over a century, earning a reputation for durable, long-lasting tires. Their focus on real-world toughness keeps drivers safe in heat, rain, and snow. Features like adaptive traction technology and snow groove edges improve grip and promote even tread wear, extending tire life. The Discoverer line, especially the AT3XLT, stands out for trucks and SUVs, delivering steady performance even under towing or off-road use. Cooper combines reliability, comfort, and value, offering drivers more miles per dollar while keeping tires stable, quiet, and safe across sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Number 8. Yokohama. Yokohama, founded in 1917, is well known in racing, but also excels on everyday roads. Their tires combine grip, control, and long-lasting durability, often outlasting more expensive competitors. Advanced compounds stay stable in heat, resisting wear even under heavy use. The Advan line delivers sharp steering and strong wet control for performance drivers, while Avid tires offer smooth, long-lasting rides for sedans and crossovers. Geolander tires shine on SUVs and trucks, providing even wear and reliable traction in rough weather. With fuel efficiency, quiet performance, and racing tech infused into daily tires, Yokohama balances price, longevity, and performance perfectly. Number 7. Hankook. Hankook, founded in 1941, has grown from a mid-range brand to compete with top global names. Long-term owner reports and consumer reports consistently show steady wear, strong grip, and excellent value, often outlasting pricier competitors. Advanced compounds stay stable in heat, protecting tread, while control technology reduces rolling resistance and strengthens the tire for longer life. The Ventus line offers sporty performance without rapid wear. The Kinergy All Season is perfect for commuters, and the Dynapro series handles tough roads for trucks and SUVs. Quiet, smooth, and durable, Hankook tires deliver more miles per dollar for everyday drivers. Number 6. Sumitomo. With roots over 400 years old, Sumitomo's modern tire division focuses on stability, strength, and long tread life. Rigid tread blocks and advanced compounds help tires wear slowly and evenly, giving drivers more miles than expected. Grooves and siping maintain grip in wet conditions, while lines like the HTR Suit sporty sedans and the Encounter series delivers reliable traction for SUVs and trucks. Sumitomo balances durability, safety, and affordability, making it a top choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking long-lasting tires. Number 5. Firestone. Founded in 1900, Firestone is one of America's oldest and most recognizable tire brands. Originally known for equipping early Ford vehicles, the brand now focuses on durable, long-lasting tires for everyday drivers. Owned by Bridgestone, Firestone combines strong rubber compounds, steady road feel, and reliable grip in both wet and dry conditions. Popular lines like the Destination series provide SUVs and trucks with solid traction on dirt, gravel, and wet roads, while the Firehawk line offers sporty cars improved cornering and braking. Affordable yet dependable, Firestone tires deliver long tread life and strong value, backed by over a century of engineering. Number 4. Lion. Lion is a budget-friendly tire brand owned by Hankook, designed for drivers seeking solid performance without premium prices. Using modern manufacturing and technology, Lion delivers dependable quality for everyday driving, with good grip on dry and wet roads and a smooth, quiet highway ride. Their product lines include the G-Fit for commuters, Z-Fit EQ for sporty performance, X-Fi series for SUVs and crossovers, and I-Fit for winter conditions. While some models may struggle in heavy snow or rough, wet roads, Lion offers reliable, well-made tires at an affordable price, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious drivers. Number 3, Nexen. Nexen delivers quality, comfort, and durability at a price well below many premium competitors. Founded in 1942, the name Nexen, meaning next century, reflects the company's focus on innovation and long-term reliability. Nexen produces tires for cars, SUVs, and trucks that perform well in everyday driving. Drivers praise the quiet ride, steady grip, and long tread life, while Nexen invests heavily in R&D using AI to design tread patterns and rubber compounds. Modern factories in South Korea, China, and Europe support consistent quality. Nexen also serves as original equipment for brands like Volkswagen, Kia, Hyundai, Renault, BMW, and Ram, meeting strict safety and performance standards. While some models struggle in extreme winter conditions or off-road scenarios, Nexen tires typically cost 20 to 40% less than premium brands, offering reliable performance, comfort, and excellent value. Number 2, GT Radial. G-Tire, the flagship brand of G-Tire from Singapore, has been producing tires since 1951 and sells in over 130 countries. Their modern factories and R&D centers support high-quality, reliable products. GT Radial tires are used as original equipment by brands like Citroën, Peugeot, Dacia, and Volkswagen, and serve as the official race tire for the 2025 Subaru BRZ Super Series. Drivers appreciate their good grip, comfort, long tread life, and fuel efficiency. The range includes daily tires, SUV and truck AT/MT models, commercial van tires, winter options, and EV-ready tires designed to reduce noise and improve battery range. Number 1, Uniroyal. Taking the top spot is Uniroyal, founded in 1892. Priced mid-range, it delivers exceptional performance and wet weather safety. Known as the Rain Tire, Uniroyal's Rain Sport and Rain Expert lines use shark skin technology to evacuate water quickly, reducing the risk of aquaplaning. Beyond rain, Uniroyal offers all-season tires like All-Season Expert 3 and All-Season Max, providing long tread life, stable braking, quiet rides, and confident handling on dry roads, wet roads, and light snow, making it the ultimate choice for value and reliability. And that's our list of 13 underrated tire brands that deliver longevity, performance, and value, often outlasting premium options. From Cujo and Falcon to the top spot, Uniroyal, these tires prove you don't need to overspend for durable, safe and reliable performance. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with someone buying tires, and subscribe to CarWave. Which brand surprised you the most? Comment below.